Ready for this, are you?
I'm ready for this.
Okay, let's start playing.
You mean you?
Yes, me. Okay. Hey guys, it is Lightning playing Super Smash Bros. Act. Kinda.
And we got ourselves some elevator music, as we see.
That music is intense.
Hope their game doesn't crash.
Metal Gear Solid 5 music is always comfortable. Okay, that's nice.
Psychopath.
Ha! Okay. So, I'm gonna be going against computers. I'm doing the most epic fight.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
Nasty. I will be going against. And we will be fighting. Screw me. Okay. Oh, I wasn't ready yet. Idiot. Ring out, mofo.
Get the ball. Ooh.
I got it in one hit. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm gonna aim straight for the middle. Forget it. It's whatever. I couldn't even get him because he was stuck in the freaking. Yep. I don't think so. I'm not getting ringed out. Nope. Dude, isn't this exciting?
For you.
Kind of mean. Okay. Haven't you noticed something odd about Super Smash Brothers?
Yeah, there's no hacks.
Yeah, there's no hacks at all. Oh, goody two-shoes. Where did he get the Dragon Ball Z stage? And why does Mario have a hammer? And why is Snake smoking a cigar?
Okay. Touche.
Yeah, there's no hacks at all here.
Oh, obviously.
Hold on, I gotta call someone. Damn it. Okay, mission accomplished, guys. Whoa. For nasty mode, you suck, Mario. I thought this was supposed to be the hardest difficulty. Apparently not.
You realize this is just... Oh, never mind, never mind. Ooh.
Yep, we are at the World Tournament. Whoa, that's a new move. Nope.
Get him, Mario. Kill him.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you jerk.
My back hurts. What the? Dude. Why were you just standing there, Snake? Okay. They got me in my serious mode. Kept you waiting, huh? Douchebag. Let me smoke my cigarette. I'm about to send you back to where you came. Hell.
Uh-oh. You're saying some nap. Oh, never mind.
Hey, behind you.
Ooh.
This match is equal.
Yes, it is. Or if you have... Oh, gosh, we're getting...
Okay.
It's not American Idol.
No.
Too late.
Come on, I dare you. Oh, Mario, what was that? Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it was so tiny. Smoke. It makes me stronger, but it puts stress on me.
Yeah, just sit there and think about life. Someone's got a pony.
Okay. This actually is a good match.
Yeah, nothing but torpedoes there were. It's a perfect match.
Hold on. Motherfucker.
Again.
Dang you, a slam down. I don't think so. I still won. That was hilarious. Alright. Next.
I'm about to break your phone because of temptation.
That was an awkward match. Okay, yep. The original stage. Yeah, and it's playing the Captain Falcon song, so makes things even better. This is my character when he was around his son's age, and yeah, so I'll show you what he would look like now. Like, since he's the hero and he has blue flames, and I call him the hero of the blue flames, so yeah.
Sympathy from me. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself.
Whoa. Idiot.
Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself.
My dude really likes saying that. I don't think so. Oh, and still made it. Oh! Can't beat this.
No sympathy from me.
I never tried the counter. I created the counter, but I never tried it. What? Okay. You're really trying to fight for this thing. Yeah, I don't think so. What the? Yeah.
Prepare yourself.
Again, that was good darkness. Can't see anything. Can't see anything.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself.
Why does he keep saying this? This is a comedy match. Okay, let's finish it off. What? You're coming with me.
No sympathy from me. You'll get no sympathy from me.
Okay. Here's an old classic. Everybody should remember this fight. Where should we...
You think it's Pit? Well, you're wrong.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, yeah.
Everybody, welcome Goku and oh, wait, I was about to say Vegeta. Welcome Goku and Piccolo to Brawl.
Go gossip scene.
Everybody,
Do Spirit Bomb. Yeah.
now do the Harlem Shake.
Do the Spirit Bomb. I like it.
You're frozen. Spirit Bomb. I broke the stage. That is so cool. The stage is moving when I did the Spirit Bomb. I'm gonna turn God mode. Or Kaioken, whatever you want to call it. They're still kind of the same thing.
Well, I mean, there's a difference between Kaioken and a freaking God mode,
Well, this is technically God mode.
I guess.
Okay, it's technically God mode. Okay? No, I mean, like, this transformation is technically God mode. Because he hits harder, stronger, better, faster. I mean, like, God mode doesn't flash. But I'm still... Flash photography! Motherfucker. You think you can escape me?
Yeah. Maybe.
He did. Pretty sure that... Oh, no. What the... Why does he do that so freaking weird? At first, when I saw Piccolo as a character, he used to always make me itch because of the way his freaking arms look. They're fucking creepy as hell. I thought Piccolo was just gonna be a random fighter when I watched the really old Dragon Ball series. I thought he was just gonna be some random green guy that tried to kill Goku in so many ways unimaginable. Like Rampage. He's gonna try, but then he's gonna fail because Raditz tried and failed.